Hi! I hope everybody's doing well. For all of the looks, I used the James Charles palette, of course. And then on my face for all of the looks, I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. It's amazing. And the Airspun powder, which is my new favorite. And the Tarte Cosmetics blush in Feisty. And then for lashes, I used the Ardell lashes in Wispies. Now we're gonna start with like the natural wearable look. And I started by putting canvas all over my lid and punch me in my crease. Then in my crease, I added a little bit of Mary. On my lid, I put wig, and I just used my finger to apply this. I added a little bit more Mary, and then I dragged that color down to under my eye as well. Then I use this metallic blue eyeliner and put it just in my waterline. This look is a lot more fun, so I'm starting off by adding flashback all over my lid so that the colors can really pop. Now my intention here is to kind of make like a black eye out of rainbow, if you will. A rainbow eye. So I'm starting with You're Kidding. I'm going on to 518. Then I move to B, Social Blade, Playground, and then Escape. And I just dab that all around my eye. Now I'm just adding flashback to my lid again to make the colors pop some more. Now on this eye, I'm going to use the exact same colors, but I'm going to make like a winged eyeliner out of it. why I cannot film with my door open. This will be another fun, colorful look, so I'm putting flashback all over my lid. I start out by really blending single throughout my crease. Then with like a medium-sized pencil brush, I put Love That directly into my crease. And then I take Escape and I put it on my inner and outer corners and blend it through my crease just a little bit. Never ever forget to blend. And then using a smaller pencil brush, I'm using the color Social Blade and just putting that on the center of my eyelid. Using that bigger pencil brush, I used Escape and put it on the inner and outer part of underneath my eye. Using my finger, I'm taking Guac and I'm putting that where I put Social Blade. And with a kind of flat, fluffy brush, I'm putting Guac all underneath my eye. And really, would it really be a video without my precious baby dogs? No, it wouldn't, okay? So comment below and tell me which look was your favorite. Mine was that purple and green look that was kind of like swamp witchy mermaid, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day or night, whatever. And thank you so much for watching.